Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm here to check out the Shinobu music bot here on Discord, which offers you the most powerful lag-free music bot ever developed for you. Or at least that's the tagline. So we're going to check that out today and see how it performs. I'm also going to show you how to invite it to your server and how to get it running. So in typical fashion, I'm going to kick the bot from the server so I can show you guys inviting it back to the server. I'm going to go to the app directory inside my server settings, and I'm going to type in Shinobu. So the first one here at the top is the Shinobu that we want. There's a couple other bots of the same name. I don't know who makes those. They're unrelated. We're going to grab this top one that's in over 1,000 servers. And then we can then add that to our server. It says here that it's high quality, free voice control, ability to like and play the song you want. Don't be able to find a song you can't find with a single word. Unlimited queue size and supports Spotify and SoundCloud. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And then they've also got a Patreon where I believe you can purchase premium for some of the more advanced features, namely the ability to use playlists. So I'm going to click Add to Server, the big blue button, and I'm going to click Continue. It just wants to be an admin, which is fine. And then I will confirm that I am not secretly an alien replicant. So the bot is now inside the server again. It's up here in the corner. And if you pop it open, you can see that I guess they're sponsored by rozbyte.net. And then they've got a website and then a bit.ly link here, as well as a link to their Patreon. Again, I'm fairly certain that that takes us to get a premiums membership with this bot. So like a lot of bots, the first thing I generally do is I use the /help command in order to get an idea of what all the bot can do for commands, because, well, in general, it's nice to have a list. So right now it has a pull down. We can get information about information commands. So we've got /help, /info, and /sponsor, some information about who sponsors them. We've also got their music commands, so we can autoplay, back, filters, leave, list, loop, now playing, pause, play, resume, seek, and skip. So that's all pretty standard and what I would expect from a bot. Then we've got the ability to create playlists. So if you really want to create your own custom playlists, you can pay for premium, and then it will allow you to create playlists and save your songs to that playlist. Although I'm not seeing the control inside of here to add songs to your playlist. So I'm assuming when you create a playlist, it just saves whatever's currently in your music queue to the list. And then we got music, info, delete message. Oh, I guess that just deletes the whole help command. Okay, well, it's a music bot, and most of what it does is just play music, and that's fine. We're going to jump into a voice channel, and let's get started playing some music. Let's start with my usual Alan Walker Dreamer. And so the bot pretty quickly jumped into channel with me and started playing music. So as you can hear, the bot jumped into the channel fairly quickly and started to play the music, which is good. It's fairly snappy, although I'm recording this outside of your normal listening hours, so your mileage may vary. And where is this? Okay, so here's the problem. I'm checking on where the bot is getting its music source from, and it looks like it's currently grabbing it from YouTube, because otherwise why would it have a ready link to the YouTube video for this song? But that's sort of a them problem if YouTube and Discord decides to get mad at them, which it probably will. But that's fine. Let's just add some more songs to the queue. We'll /play, and then we'll add Syntact Ego. We'll throw in some Pleague Home, along with Born Bonfire. And then just for fun, Guy Arthur, Runaway. So that looks pretty good. Now, let's see what we've got for the list of music. So if I pause the music so I can actually, like, see what's in the queue without it disappearing on me. Let's take a look at now playing, because one of the commands was now playing. So currently I'm playing Alan Walker's Dreamer, and it's, I guess, pulling from YouTube, as far as I can tell, from the author No Copyright Sounds, and it actually even has their links to the page on YouTube to see both of those. And then it gives me a fun little GIF from Demon Slayer of some of the characters. Okay, well that's kind of interesting. And then if we type in /list, it'll also show me what's coming up next in the playlist. So next is Syntact, Pleague, Born, and then Guy Arthur. And if I want to, I can then skip the current song and just skip straight to the next one when I hit resume. What other types of music controls do I have in this pack? So I can loop the song if I want to. I can do resume. I can seek to a specific song in the list if I want to as well. I can control the volume, although I never really saw a point in volume commands. I can just control the bot volume by right-clicking it and going like this. So that's sort of superfluous in my opinion. You can pause it, and then of course you've got filters. What do we have for filters? We have the usual, the Nightcore and the karaoke and all that jazz, but it appears that that command is limited to premium servers, and I have a feeling if I type in /playlist create and make a test playlist, it'll tell me that it's only available to premium servers. Okay, well, that's fine. For free, all you're going to get is the ability to play music, which is kind of something that I come to expect. Because these people, they spend time making these bots, and servers aren't free to run these bots. So it makes sense that they'd want you to pay for some of the more advanced features. For the most part, the rest of it works real nice. Like, it shows me a list of all the commands. It makes it reasonably easy to play them, to pause them, to see what's playing. And you can even rewind if I want to, or back. I can type in /back. Alright, well I guess it only goes back to the current song playing, but that's fine. It makes it relatively easy to play the music and to go back and forth in your playlist of what's in your queue. So that's pretty nice. And then I guess if you had to pay for more playlist access, if that's something you really want, that's not too bad. What other commands did I see earlier that might have been fun? So we did the playlist. What does the information stuff do? The information allows me to know more about the bot. So I can type in /info to learn more about the bot. Apparently that bot command is only available to the owner of the bot, which, okay, then why would you put it in the list? We can also look at the sponsor. Who is their sponsor? It's Razbyte. And I don't speak that language, so I'm not entirely certain what they do. But it exists, and that's who's making it so that they can keep the lights on and the server running. So I guess that's kind of cool to see who their sponsor is. And then if you want, you can help to translate the bot into a different language. That's the list of all the translators who translated for your use all around the globe. Okay, that's kind of cool too. Then what else? We've got information, playlist, music. I guess that's it, really. So that's just kind of a look at... So let's go ahead and take a little peek at what their Patreon is like. I'm guessing this is what gives you your premium. So 1 month of support is going to cost you nothing right now. I guess they give you a free trial for a month, which is... Actually, I don't think I've seen anyone do a free trial. So normally it's $5 a month, or you can do a free trial, and that gives you the option to add favorites. Your server has a special role. or you have a special role on the support server, because all these guys have a special server you can go to ask technical questions. You can also create unlimited playlists, faster support help, access to filter features, so basically just all the advanced features. And then if you pay $25 a month, which is a very hefty change from $5 a month, you get access to unique filters, the option to create unlimited playlists, but you also get that over here. And then the option to like and play the song that you want. I feel like they might want to add a longer list of reasons to give them $25 a month. Because right now it's looking like the good value is in $5 a month. But hey, that's just me. So yeah, you can get premium to unlock more advanced features, but for the most part, you can play music and enjoy by just installing the bot, and the mainstay of music playing is free. So that's been a brief look at Shinobu bot. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Just remember that if you want to grab this for yourself, it is the bot with this icon at the top of the list of Shinobu bots. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.